Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to link cards using Trello. So first of all, as you guys can see, this is one of my cards. So when I say link, we first have to get the link, but we first got to create something. So as you guys can see, this link, this card has a good like checklist. Everything is ready. Let's write a description. And then we're going to go ahead and click on share. So it's going to be clickable link for people to like click on it and get to this card. You can use this for your own business to make money, so that would be good as well. So this is the link to the card. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna go here. So as you guys can see here, that there's one more card that's ready. I'm gonna go to the comments and save it, and people are now able to click on it and easily access to my business card manufacturing business. So as you guys can see here, we just created the link, and then when you click on it, it will go here. So if you have like a big Trello board and that's like so confusing for a lot of people, I would prefer you guys to like create links so that it can be easily like clickable, and you can name it by clicking on share, and you can export it to the JSON, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to go ahead and click on share, and then we're gonna if you want, I can get the QR code as well. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much.